Welcome back, student. Today again we will read about chapter number 2. The topic of the chapter is how the camel got his hump. In the previous part of the video, student, I have explained you about the two of the animals who came to the lazy camel and asked him for his help, but the camel refused and he said hump. That means only the camel's reply was hump. And the camel was very lazy. He always used to sit in the center of the desert and used to eat the plants available in the desert. That means stick, thorns, milkweed and prickles. Now in this video I am going to teach you the second part of this chapter. That means the second page of this chapter. Now let's start with the second page. Now in some more time the ox came to him with the yoke on his neck and said, Camel, camel, come and plow the like rest of us. Now do you know the meaning of yoke, student? Yoke means the long stick or the long piece of wood tied on the camel's neck to plow the field. Yoke means long piece of wood tied on the long piece of wood which is tied on the ox neck to plow the field. Now the ox came to the camel and asked him to camel, come and plow like rest of us. That means come and help us to cultivate the land. Hump, said the camel. The ox went away and told the man. Now again the ox became aggressive and he went and told the man the same incident that had happened with him. At the end of the day, the man called the horse and the dog and the ox together and said, 303, I am very sorry. Now the man is calling to the animals and told them, 303, I am very sorry for you, but that hump thing is in the desert, can't work, or he would have been here by now. I am going to leave him alone. You must work double time to make up for it. Now see what happened here, student. Now the owner is telling to three of the animals, that means the horse, the ox, and the dog. Now the man is telling them, that means the owner is telling them to that these three animals have to work double now. Why these three animals have to double work? Because the camel is not helping, and the pending work of camel will done by these three animals. That means these three animals will do the work of camel also, and so their work become double. Now I am going to leave him alone. You must work double time to make up for it. That means whatever the work the camel had not done, that also these three animals have to do. That made the three very angry, and the words spoken by the owner, this made the animals very angry. On this advice, the animals became very aggressive. On this order of the owner, the animals became very aggressive. The camel laughed at them, said hum, and the camel laughed at them and said hump and went away again. Now what happened? Again, now see the camel. When the owner ordered the three animals that they have to work double now, as the camel had not done his work, now what is the camel's reaction? Now camel is laughing here. The camel laughed at them and said hump and went away again. Again this lazy creature, that means the camel laughed on them and he went away. Presently there came along the jinn, in charge of all desert, rolling in a cloud dust. Jinn always travel that way because it is magic. He stopped to meet with the three. That means suddenly there came the jinn. And who was jinn? He was the in charge of all the desert. Who was the jinn? The jinn was the in charge of all the desert. He came rolling in the cloud dust. That means he came rolling in the cloud. Jinn always travel that way because it's magic. He always used to travel that way because it is magic. He stopped to meet with the three. Now who is three here? The word 3 is here for whom? The word 3 means horse, second was dog, and third was ox. So these 3. He stopped. That means who stopped here? The jinn. The jinn stopped to meet with the 3. Now, jinn of all desert, said the horse, it is right for anyone to be idle with the world so new and all. With the world so new and all. Jinn of all desert, said the horse, it is right for anyone to be ideal with the world so new and all. Now the jinn is telling that it is so ideal, it is so laziness that someone is not working and sitting all the time as the world is almost new. It was only the beginning of the world. Certainly not, said the jinn. Now, well, said the horse, there's a thing in the middle of your desert with a long neck and long legs. He has not done a stroke of work since Monday morning. He won't trot. Now see, well, said the horse, there's a thing in the middle of your desert. Now thing, the word thing means the camel. The horse said, there's a thing in the middle of your desert with a long neck, as camel have long neck, and long legs. It also have long legs. He has not done a stroke of work. That means a single piece of work. He has not done a single piece of work since Monday morning. He won't trot. That means even though he can't walk fastly. He can't walk fastly, as I have already explained you the meaning of trot. Now student, till now here I have explained you. In my next video I will explain you the remaining part of this chapter. So till then, stay home, stay safe. In this part of the video I have taught you that the ox came to meet the camel, and the camel refused to work. So he also went and said the incident to the owner. Now in the evening the owner called 3 of the animals, and he gave the order that the 3 animals will have to work double now because the camel is not working, and the pending work, the remaining work of that camel, these 3 animals will do. Now after some time the jinn came there, the in charge of the desert, and he was also shocked that it was only the beginning of the world and the camel is not working. The camel is too lazy. In the next video I will teach you the remaining part of this chapter. Till then, stay home, stay safe.